Welcome to Sessions Health Tutorials. Hello, fellow therapists. I'm Ian, a practicing psychotherapist, and I use Sessions Health each day in my own private practice. In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at account settings. If you're an administrator on the account settings is where you can set up all of the important things for your Sessions Health account. So the first area is for members to invite other practitioners. You'll do that here. This is where you can set permissions. We have other videos that go into the details of a lot of the things here. This is where you can set up your business information, your service locations, and rooms for your locations to prevent shared resources from being double booked. Underneath clients, if you check this box, you can give clients your own custom internal IDs. If you uncheck it, we'll generate IDs for you. I'll show you what an ID looks like. Here's what an ID looks like. These are our generated IDs, and this is an example of a custom ID, whatever works for you. Communications is where you will set up your appointment reminders. We have a detailed appointment reminders video, so I'm not going to get into the specifics here, but this is where you will configure appointment reminders. Telehealth, you can enter your telehealth link here and instructions. And again, we have a telehealth video that gets into the details of this, but you can configure URLs for all of your clinicians. Billing, here you will find your invoices. You can update your credit card, your referral link to share on social media or with colleagues to get discounts. And here's a list of all of your past invoices. You can click on this to see the PDFs. The portal is also configured here. If you're an administrator, you can turn it on and configure it. And again, we have more detailed videos on the portal configuration, but this is where it's at. And then finally, data exports. If you need to get data out of the system, you can get all of your data. You can export it for a single client, or you can export it for a single practitioner, and then you can generate that, and then there'll be a zip file of all that data. And if this starts getting too long, you can remove these to keep that clean. That concludes the account settings tutorial. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us at support@sessionshealth.com.